It's often useful to be able to detect gaps in sequences in numbers, for example, check numbers, or in this case, invoice numbers. Active Data analyzes the contents of the invoice numbers and suggests the starting and ending value, as well as an increment. Clicking Finish produces a sheet listing the results of the analysis. If the sheet contains duplicate items, we can get Active Data to either ignore them or to remove them before doing the analysis. This results in a sheet where the missing items are tagged. You can find out more about working with tags in Active Data in another video at the site.